What is up, guys? It is your boy R7 Gaming here, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you on how you guys can make a timer inside of Unity. So let's get into the video. So first of all we're going to explain to you on how I made the UI. So all I did is pretty much basic me stuff. Just watch some of my older videos if you want to know how to do it, but I made a canvas by clicking here. Then I render mode, it starts out as screen space overlay, but I turned it to screen space camera, dragged in the main camera like this. And then what I did is I added some text, and that's pretty much what I did. Now this is how you add text. And then what I did also is I made a game object. Just click create empty, code a timer object, and then I just grabbed the script that I made and put it there. So obviously you don't have to do this, but I made a folder for scripts, and all you have to do to make a folder is click create folder, named it C# scripts. And then what I did is I just click create C# script. Then I made one. Make sure you name it without a space. So I'm just going to click on this and make sure you just put using Unity engine.ui. So now all I have to do is make a few variables. All you have to do is public text time text, and then we're going to make a public float timer. And now all we have to do is we just got to go to our update function, and then we put timer equals timer minus 1 multiplied by time dot delta time. And now all we have to do is put time text dot text equals timer dot toString. And what this does is it just pretty much converts our float into a string. You should probably check out my other video on how to convert integers. Pretty much the same thing though. And all we need to do is to have some decimal places. So I'm going to put 0.0.0. So this is kind of going to make it kind of look like this. So a good example of that is like that. But yeah, we pretty much have this. I'm going to show you what will happen if we don't do what I'm about to do. So make sure that you have your text assigned, because we're going to get a no reference exception. And so we're going to see our timer tick down, and it's not looking too good, because that's because we haven't gave our timer a value, and it's also because it's a public variable. We have to assign it here. But you guys are about to see something, and just look at what happens. Goes in the decimal places, and that's not what we want. So what we want to happen is we want it to not go. So we're going to make an if statement. So we do if timer is less than 0, then what we're going to do is we're going to do timer equals 0.0f. And now what we're going to do is timer time text equals color dot red. And then we need to make sure we put dot text. So when the stuff, pretty much when the time ends, it's going to turn it to red. That's what we need to do. So time text dot color equals color red. So that's just going to turn it to red when the time ends. And so this is pretty much a working script, and you guys will see that right now. And so the time is going to turn to 0, and it turns red. That's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, this is the final result. Just see it again. Pretty interesting. So Yeah, so that is going to be it for today's Unity video. Hope you guys have a nice day and goodbye.